Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching our earwax removal. Well, this is actually another skin removal, and this is another one of Taylor's. We've had a lot of skin removals through recently. This is Taylor's. He's the other audiologist that works here at Audiology Associates. Unfortunately, he's not feeling very well at the moment, so I get to voice his videos over, which is great for me because I don't get to see these videos. I know mine, but I don't know Taylor's. So this is a first for me as well. So what I can see here is, ooh, very, very dry, almost I would say crispy skin there. So you can see it's really come off the ear canal wall. He's opted to use the crocodile forceps here, and I can see why. It's because you've almost got these sort of layers that are dropping down, almost like I can never remember which way around it is, and my granddad did teach me that tights fall down. So I think it's stalagmites that come from the ceiling. Somebody's going to correct me. I know they are in the comment section. I hope I got that right. But they're almost kind of dropping down from the top, and you've got these kind of edges to them, which means you can go in and get the forceps. So imagine the skin is here. I'm going to do this from the back. Forceps goes in there and grabs that way. So we're just trying to do that. But the difficulty is what's happening is they're not on their own. They connect at the top. So as he went to get that, he couldn't quite get it in. So this is the rosen inserter here. So what he's going to do now is peel down that middle top section. Ooh, that was a good peel. And let's see how far back this goes. Are we going to get an epic skin peel here maybe? Don't know. It looks like is this all just concertinaed up at the front end? Or is it going, oh, I don't know. It's difficult to tell at this point. Is it going further back? Oh, if that came out as one piece, oh my goodness, that would be epic if that came out as one piece. Let's have a little look. It's going back a fair way. Look at that. So he's using the side of the rosen inserter, not the way you're supposed to use the rosen inserter, but I can see why he's doing it. He's pushing down to the back end just to see, basically see how far back. Is there an end to this skin? Which it doesn't look like there is at the moment. So you get so far and then your view becomes blocked. So he's gone in now with the crocodile forceps just to remove these front sections here again. Wow, that is a lot of skin in there. Look at that. Honestly, I love these types of removals. They're one of my skin removals are one of my favorite ones to do. Skin ribbons are my top. They're the holy grail in wax removals. Don't see them very often. Claire actually had one the other day, and she's apparently, I didn't see it, but she said it was huge. I'm so gutted I missed that one. Eardrum peels, also another one of my favorites. I do enjoy an eardrum peel. So what we can see here, we've got this very, very kind of flattened piece of skin just to the bottom. That's what he's aiming for, that gap look. So he's trying to use the bottom jaw of the forceps to pull this across. There you go. So that's almost like a staple kind of shape. It was like an end, so it was going up and over the top, and that's why he was struggling to get the grip. It's because that top section was still connected. Well, this is nice. It's coming in installments. Would have been nice if it came away in one big piece. I'm not going to lie, but in installments is good as well. So let's see if he can get the rosen inserter through the gap, or is he aiming for the left and going to twist around? Ooh, look at that. That goes in a lot further than I thought it did. That's going to be a good one. Nice. That just unraveled on the way out there. Oh no, this is going to, can you get a suction tube? If you can get it smack in the middle of this, you'll be able to peel the whole thing forwards. Let's have a look. Oh, and that was going all the way around. This is almost like a complete husk inside the ear canal. This could have very, very easily turned into keratosis obturans if you weren't careful. Luckily, I think it just dried out a little bit too much, so it hadn't sort of compressed together. You still had that little bit of a gap. I think if you'd given this another 6 to 12 months, those gaps would have compressed and you would have been really struggling to get that out. So we've got this much, much deeper section now. That looks pretty free. Yeah, lovely. Almost like a little cornflake, that bit at the bottom end there. So you just in front of the eardrum, wasn't connected to anything, thank goodness. And let's take a look beyond it. Lovely. Good job, Taylor Green. That looks really healthy. My goodness me, we've got 3.5 centimeters, 1.5 inches worth of pure skin coming out of that ear canal. Well, guys, I thoroughly enjoyed that one. I taught so much. I've gone very, very dry. But I really, really enjoyed that video, guys. Fingers crossed you did as well. If you did enjoy them, please like, heart, share, follow, subscribe for us. Come on, guys. Smash that like button for me, and the heart button. That'd be absolutely fantastic. But as always, guys, until the next episode, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and most importantly, take care of one another. And I shall see you probably equally as excited for the next video. Bye, everyone.